What yoy? Welcome to Cook and Vibe, man. We're all excited. Yeah, man. Big up, bro. Big up. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Yeah, we day her live. See there. I is active rep carnival people. You get me? We're just gonna show you the vibes today. A good vibes. We're outside with the boys. What yoy? Hey. Cook and Vibe. We're outside. Ringo Vision there. We're doing things. Tata there. I'll be a vibe. We've done mash up a little stage here already. You get me? Cook and Vibe. Season 11. We're outside. We're outside. I see Ringo doing an episode. Hold on a minute. I love that, man. We're all time, we're working. All the time. Check him out, man. You know the thing. Tata there. Good vibes, people. Hello, what's up? Carnival is always a crazy time of year. Big up the team. If I could only show you all the people that want to take pictures, it's crazy, but I just can't have my phone on all the time, but it's just crazy, crazy. Holy active, that is it. A quick shelling now. I want your record on it. Rhythm. When the boy can't take man for Alan and only cannon. We jump up like Saddam, the boy they fishing, the boy they salmon. A cool shot for the cannon. Rhythm. Bad man like Alan, before 5 and up your balance. I don't do banter, no any girl can't take man for Santa. Kick him out down like Blanca. When you run there, you're dance for the Fanta. Looks like a body, a shake of Atlanta. We start money like a banker. You know when I'm under Rica, all the time you smell like ganja. Just look at that. No girl can't take man for Google back. Them a bad man everything you're posting that. Hot girl away number one, Google that. Fully done to me, don't really booking that. 2023 there, no looking back. We love it when they get them up. I mean, love it when they get them cuckoo fat. Brand new Ralphie, you're not killer, you're not bounty. Waiting for lyrics, like that county. We have the link, you can't show me. Enough of them down me, flares up the fire, no they can't OT. Enough of them move slow, G1, 2 3, them man they can't show me. Cycle like money, you want feature, for our money. You're not extra, who's the funny? Fuck what's he gonna do? Not funny, yo! Holy active for the year, nothing's carnival. Hear me, I tell the man. Hear that. Look, fuck up the place and drift. 100 Predator road, grip up the car in fifth. I'm telling just a pass my split, yo, tick like a ass and tits. Shell about that to take, make money, move fast and quick. Yo, we just built a brand new style. See, 7 clouding with it. Look, drop at 16 and they eat that. 16 on the wristwatch, 16 in the gym glove. Go on, I can't hear one ding dong. Any target, yeah, we eat that. Me and all the chit chat. Man, jump for the walker, head top bar. Yo, everything mad. Everything shell, everything bun up. I top a new freestyle, what you think turn up? Any violation, you the team went up. Look, maddest life when I lie. More fuck 2 girls 9 nights. Take a man's wife, don't catch feelings, we are catch time. What? Alright, let's have one bad cap and fuck up your life. Send them out the street unlock, but I don't see that man outside. No, outside, catch me rough up on the inside. Never tell a lie, look at all fight. I told them boy don't fuck up. Got money enough to run up. Gun to tear out your stomach. Play my rhythm watch everything bun up. And the ring got your man in the industry. On the high grade weed man I cut up. Look, viral thing. And it's been tossed, that's a viral thing. When you hit the that's a viral thing.
Ankles up the night, Sound the thing.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know how to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi! Welcome to the big up section, people. Yes, we are in season 11. Can you believe it? Season 11, you know. Season 10 done. Jamaica done. Season that we're here. But it's kicking off in the right way, man. I'll tell you the truth. Yeah, there was a bit of a mistake last Sunday. I actually uploaded the 1 minute clip that I took out of the episode, the original episode, to post on Instagram, and I ended up uploading that by accident on the Sunday, and I didn't realise because I was at Nottinghil Carnival until I got home, and I was like, oh, yeah. So then I re-uploaded it, so that's out now. If you've seen behind the scenes with Sean Paul, I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. You get me? Yeah. So, yeah, man, today's big up people. Big up Myth8447. He says, greetings, tell me how you're feeling. Big up M.R, living a dream. Would love a shout out from you, my man. Keep doing your thing. And my brother, absolutely smashing it these days. Fairly new to the show, but been hooked since. Welcome to the show, my brother. Welcome to the family, man. The vibers, you get me? Yeah, man. Our good vibes, my G. We're in season 11, so yeah, you definitely jumped in late, but it's never too late. Do you know what I'm saying? Because we're about to kick off a serious season. Bare things, because we're in the UK, so we have to just do some madness. I think I've actually got an episode that will be the biggest viral, most craziest episode I've ever done. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I've started the episode, but the problem is it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to complete this episode. So you just make sure your notification bells are on. You get me? Because it's crazy. Also, big up Justina4276 says, I don't know M.R, but I am proud of him and his consistent determination. It just shows that passion and determination pays off. Bless you, Aya. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we can't stop. We never stop. You see? Yeah, man, we just keep going. And obviously it's working, you know. The music career is really lifting off now, people. I think what I'm going to try, I'm going to give you, so basically, right, I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't actually film a behind the scenes properly, but I did a bit for the Beanie Man show. But I'm going to have to kind of scrape bits together. But I reckon I can do it. And I reckon I can get a good episode for Sunday. So I think, yeah, hold me to it. Beanie Man episode behind the scenes this Sunday. Look out for it. I'll see you soon. Bye.